We as a parent are worried at some moments of life about our kids' nutrition intake. Also, in this time of COVID, we have realized it very well that health is wealth and maintaining good health should be our priority. So, in this series of videos, I'm sharing the tips by which your child can get complete nutrition from various foods, which will help in increasing immunity as well. Also, we can better be prepared for the predicted third wave of COVID. So in this video, I will share the tips by which your child can get complete nutrition of milk. So let's get started. Milk is an important part of our kids' diet. So why not try to find out the ways by which child can get milk's complete nutrition plus other nutrition along with milk. Milk is a good source of calcium, proteins and vitamin D. All these nutrients keep bones strong and healthy, so it must be part of your child's diet. Getting a good quality of milk is rather a big challenge, but whatever milk we are getting can be made nutritious in some ways. Most of the kids don't like the taste of milk, so we end up trying instant healthy drinks available in the market, but they are nothing more than lots of sugar. I would suggest you try to avoid instant healthy milk drink mixes available in the market, or don't forget to check out their ingredients because most of them are loaded with lots of sugar only. So let's prepare our natural and instant healthy drinks. First is dates milk. It is a quick and easy milk, gets ready within minutes. For 2 glasses of milk, add 4 to 5 dates and give it a nice boil and let it cool down to drink. It can be drunk hot or chilled as per your choice. Dates milk has lots of nutritional benefits for children. It is rich in iron, antioxidants, helps in constipation, good for brain health, a great source of fiber, and helps in weight gain of the children. And the ice on the cake is, it is the Mother Nature's natural sweetener, so no need to add any artificial refined unhealthy sugars. Next is turmeric milk. It is also known as haldi ka doodh or golden milk. It is loaded with antioxidants and a great immunity booster which helps in keeping the common cold and flu at bay. हमारी दादी नानी भी कहा करती थी जब कभी हमें चोट लग जाती थी या सर्दी जुकाम हो जाता था तो हमें हल्दी वाला दूध पीने के लिए ही बोला जाता था. Our ancestors were really a treasure of knowledge. Now the whole world is backing this golden milk based on scientific evidence of golden milk benefits. So हमारे ancestors के लिए एक लाइक तो बनता है. For 2 glasses of milk, add this much fresh turmeric or turmeric powder. Then boil it for 1 to 2 minutes. Let it cool down a bit, sieve it and serve warm. You can also add a pinch of black pepper. Next is energy booster milk. This milk helps in constipation, overcoming any nutritional deficiencies, and healthy weight gain for the kids. After taking this milk, you don't need to give any multivitamins to your child. It will complete all the vitamins requirement of your child. 2 to 3 almonds, 2 to 3 walnuts, 2 dates, 2 raisins, 2 cashews or whatever dry fruits you have, just soak them for overnight and in the morning grind all the dry fruits finely and boil the paste with 2 to 3 glasses of milk. Give it a nice boil and let it cool down slightly. Drink your energy booster milk warm or chilled as per your taste. You can also sieve it if kids don't like the consistency, but to get complete nutrition, this milk should be drink as such. Or you can also make a milkshake out of it. After grinding nuts, add 2 glasses of milk and then grind. Your super nutritious immunity booster protein energy drink is ready without any preservatives and artificial sugar. Try to have these drinks once a week if cannot take them daily and see the improvement in your child's health.